Hello. Today, I'll show you how to use the newsletter summarizer template. First, authorize first Gmail node. In the second Gmail node, authorize and enter the email where you want to receive the summary. The trigger runs once per day at the scheduled time, but for now, let's start it manually. Let's wait for it to complete, and I'll explain how it works. Now, let's check our inbox, and here's our summary email. Let's back to scenario. The trigger activates at the specified time, in this case, once per day. The Gmail module retrieves all emails received in the last 24 hours. JavaScript processes the content by removing unnecessary details, keeping only key information. ChatGPT generates a concise summary based on the filtered content. The final Gmail module sends the summarized email back to your inbox. Now you can automate this process and receive daily email summaries effortlessly. Thank you for watching.